Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you how you can create multiple sheets of your Excel file into one PDF file. So let's start. You can see here we have three sheets in our Excel file: sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Now I want to convert these three sheets in one PDF file. So the method is very easy. I will tell you how to convert these Excel sheets to one PDF file. Let's start. I will go to file and I will click on save as, then I will click on browse, and here I will select save as type PDF, and I will go to options and I will check on entire workbook. Click on that and then I will click on save. Now you can see our three sheets converted into one PDF file. I'll close from here. Let's go to the desktop where the file is saved. Just open this. You can see this is sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So this is the method to convert your Excel multiple sheets into one PDF file. Now I will tell you the second method. Just go to file and click on export and click on create PDF XPS, and from option you can select entire workbook. OK, publish. I will change the file name to Excel1. Publish. Now you can see here on desktop. If you will open this file, you can see our Excel file is converted to one PDF.